Hey guys, Jesse.
And Pearl, welcome back to our channel.
So we realized when we were watching through these videos that we used a selfie stick and it didn't record any audio. So we're gonna have to voice over kind of the whole video. So get ready for that. So coming up, we're making mozzarella sticks. Those are breadcrumbs, eggs, and milk, and flour, and obviously cheese. So we're gonna pretty much get prepping that here in a second, and we're gonna make some cheese sticks. It's gonna be really fun and exciting, kind of messy, but hopefully you enjoy them, and maybe you try the recipe as well. It's real fun. We'll show you the seasonings a little later, and yeah, I think we're gonna dive right in here pretty soon. All right, so here we are with some of our ingredients as promised. We have just some black pepper, salt, some Italian seasoning, and some crushed red pepper. We just added those with the breadcrumb. Okay, so these are our steps on making our mozzarella sticks. So you take your cheese, you kind of just roll it around in the flour, get it nice evenly coated, and knock off the excess. Then all you gotta do is put it in the egg milk batter, get it nice and gooey. Take it out and let it drip a little bit, and then go into your breadcrumbs. It's probably best just to lay it down, cover it. Trying to roll it with your fingers, it gets it all nasty and it peels off a lot. So to get a better extra coat, when you're done rolling it and covering it in breadcrumbs, you're gonna put it back in your milk and eggs. To coat it again, obviously you want to get it really moist and soggy. Then you go back to your breadcrumbs. So we're really gonna need that extra coat, so we don't get like the cheese isn't too exposed in the oil, or else it'll just melt really fast. You know, have chunks of cheese in your oil, makes your oil all nasty. But yeah, so put those aside, and then you just do that process over and over with all your mozzarella sticks. You'll probably need to keep adding more breadcrumbs and seasonings to your plate, because it gets all clumpy and real difficult to mess with. So just make sure you keep adding more breadcrumbs as you need.
So after prepping the mozzarella cheese, we had to put it in the freezer for a little while because we realized that it was getting really soft, and then we had to make sure it's hard enough before we fry it. And I think we put it in the freezer for like 10 minutes whilst we heat up the oil.
All right, so here we go, first dunk. So we just use some tongs, just grab them off your plate, and they're all prepped and froze. Just slowly dip them in the oil. Obviously you don't want to plunk them in there, stuff's hot. Depending on how hot your oil is, you'll kind of judge, and you'll tell by how like brown your mozzarella sticks are turning. You might need to lower your heat. But yeah, just set them in there, kind of keep turning them every about 5 seconds until your desired golden brown level. Don't try to do too many that you can't handle, or else you might burn them because you can't get to them all. But yeah, just we're gonna fry all these up. So as you're frying, a helpful tip is make sure you get a thermometer. Try to make sure you're at least 325. So keep it around 325, 350. All right, so all the mozzarella sticks are done. Definitely we got better as we fried them. They're golden brown instead of dark brown. So here is the first cut on our mozzarella sticks. Looking good, looking good. Ooh, it does the Twix thing with the caramel. Look at that. That's what mozzarella sticks are supposed to do. But yeah, first bite coming up. They're a little more hollow than we expected. I guess the cheese was really hot and just melty. But they tasted really good. Had a nice crunch to them. You could taste a lot of the Italian seasoning, and they're very fun to eat.
Yeah, it tastes really great. I just felt like it was a little bit salty, so I guess that's just his fault. He added too much salt to
It happened.
the breadcrumbs. Yeah, but it's good, like very good.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And there's your hand. Alright, thank you guys for bearing with us with the funny audio. We had a lot of fun making them. We hope you guys will try to make some mozzarella sticks of your own.
Yeah, thank you once again for watching. Make sure you do like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
Thanks.
Thanks.